My days grow short.
Rest, my lord. You're not alone.
Stay by my side.
Oh.
King David is now very old. His strength has faded, and though blankets are placed over him, he cannot keep warm.
Rest, my lord. The morning is kind today.
It warms these old bones.
His servants bring in Abishag the Shunammite to care for him, not as a wife, but as a nurse. David is alive, but leadership has grown silent. And in that silence, ambition begins to speak. Adonijah, David's son, sees an opportunity.
The council stirs. Some would see you falter before the sun sets.
Let them stir. The Lord judges between us.
Then stand firm, my prince.
Without being appointed by God or confirmed by the king, he declares, "I will be king." He gathers chariots, horsemen, and 50 men to run before him, a show of power and confidence. Joab, the army commander, and Abiathar, the priest, support him. But there's a problem. Adonijah never consults God, and he never consults David.
The offering burns clean, my lord.
Let it rise. Tonight we remember.
He hosts a great feast, inviting many of the king's sons, but not Solomon, not Nathan the prophet, and not Benaiah. This is not God's plan. This is a coup disguised as celebration.
Lord, give me courage. I cannot falter now.
Nathan the prophet sees the danger. If Adonijah succeeds, Solomon and Bathsheba will likely be killed. Nathan goes to Bathsheba and reminds her of David's sworn promise. Solomon was chosen by God to be king. Together, they approach David. Bathsheba speaks first, telling him Adonijah has crowned himself king without David's knowledge. Nathan confirms the report. David realizes something critical. If he does nothing, God's promise will be overturned by human ambition. Though weak in body, David became strong in purpose. He commands that Solomon be placed on the king's mule, a public symbol of royal authority. Zadok the priest and Nathan the prophet anoint Solomon at Gin. Trumpets sound, and the people shout, "Long live King Solomon!" The earth itself seems to shake with celebration. Meanwhile, Adonijah's feast turns into fear. His supporters scatter. Adonijah runs to the altar and clings to its horns, begging for mercy. He knows now he was never meant to be king. Solomon responds with wisdom, not vengeance. He spares Adonijah's life, but with a warning. If Adonijah proves wicked, judgment will follow. 1 Kings chapter 1 teaches us a powerful truth. God's plans do not fail, but they can be delayed or challenged by human pride. Self-promotion may look impressive, but only God's calling endures. When God appoints, no ambition can override it. And when leaders act in obedience, even late, it can still restore God's order.